Hello friends, hello everyone who right now watching this video. My name is Team Wider and today I just want to show you how you can make money from home with affiliate marketing. And basically right now you can see on your screens different kind of the commissions which I made in the different weeks. So basically this is not fake, this is not a scam, it's actually what you see is what you get. And I just want to show you that we can open any week and you can see here's the different kind of the amount of the money. So you can make exactly the same and even more, of course, if you're gonna understand this video right now and if you're gonna watch it till the end. Basically right now I just want to explain to all of you guys in the details what exactly you must do so you can understand all the process step by step and you can start to make money from home from the first days. And on your screens you can see different kind of the products, and what is the really excited that you can make 50% from all of these products. And this is the really great because right now all of us is at home, right? All of us is at home because of that pandemic, because of the coronavirus, and many people searching for the some opportunities exactly how to make money from the internet, how to make money online. And this is the one of the best ways because you can see that this kind of the products is really great quality, people need it, people searching for that. And of course if you're gonna share this product with the people, if you're gonna use it and if you're gonna make the recommendations, so you can make even more money than you see right here. So perfect and excited. What exactly you must do right now in this second? First of all, of course, you need to open the description and there gonna be the link join the business today. So click the link join the business today and you're gonna receive the same page which you see right now on your screen. And right here you have the two options, guys. You can be a customer and you can be a life changer. So basically for you, of course, gonna be better if you're gonna be the life changer, because we're watching this video because we want to make money online, right? So right now you must to click that become a life changer. So once you're gonna click it, after that you must to click it on the sign up. So this is actually the simple registration. Everyone can do that and everyone can do that from the different countries. After that you must to select your country. You can be from United States, you can be from Bangladesh, you can be from any country worldwide. So basically if you're from the United States, you choose United States, you click on the button join now and you making the simple registration. Of course, once you're gonna join the website, you must to get one of the product to be subscribed, like to have the subscription. So it's not that too much and you're gonna receive really incredible product which you can use, and basically also you're gonna receive the great opportunity where you can make different kind of the money, as I said, guys. So this is the really amazing stuff because here's the really great opportunity for the all of you, and you can make the great and incredible commissions every single day. So I'm telling you right now, after when you're gonna click the link in the description, you just must to make the registration and you can choose any of the product which you see right now right here. And after that, of course, you must to click on the button continue. For example, we're gonna choose family pack of the Nutra Burst and we're gonna click button continue. After that, guys, just click right here that I would not like to create the smart chip for this time, so you can click continue again and you will gonna receive the final step. So on the final step, of course, you must to provide all your information about yourself. You must to provide your name, surname, last name. You must to provide your primary phone, all the details about you, your WhatsApp, your street address, and all that stuff right here about the shipping. And of course you must to get the start package. So if you're gonna get the start package, you're gonna receive the opportunity to make money online. And this is really excited, guys, because right now, as I told you, so many people, they're gonna be excited about this because they can make money from home. And as I told you, a lot of the people who are searching for the opportunity, they can be confident on the 100% that this is the way for success for them. And this is the really great stuff on the thousands of the percent. So what you have to do, of course, as I told you, after we're gonna make the registration, you will gonna receive the same back office. And right here you can see, as I told you already, so many products, and you can get basically from all of them 50%. So you can get 50% from all of these amazing products. And right now, together with you, we're gonna calculate exactly how much money you can make, because you already seen my commissions, and right now I just want to show you details and instructions what you have to do, of course, to make the same and even more. And for instance, we're gonna choose this kind of the product, right? For instance, and right here we see that it's included three different stuff, yeah, three different of the three different products inside this package. And this the price for this 120 in the volume, and price for the package gonna be 150. So we're gonna get 50% from the volume, from the QE. So we just must divide this 120 on 2 to get 50%. So right here we're just gonna divide it 120, we're gonna divide it on 2, and this gonna be guys for us 50%, so it's gonna be $60. So just imagine right now, if you're gonna recommend this product for the 50 people, so how much money you can make for the 50 people? You can make $3,000, guys. So it's really amazing, because right now I think a lot of the people, they're gonna be excited even to make $1,000 or $2,000. And sharing is really simple, because we have the social media, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have LinkedIn, and we have the friends. Because we have the friends, guys, right now, so we can make the recommendation for any of these products. And I'm telling you guys, people need these products. They need it because it really can help them with a lot of the stuff. And I just want to give you some really incredible trick with which one you can make even the more money, because I just want to show you some product which can bring you more commissions than all of this together. Because right here we have the coffee, and we know all the people from the world wide, they love the coffee, they drink coffee, and they drink it for the energy, to feel themselves more energized, right? And right here we have the coffee, which can give you not just the energy, but also you can lose the weight with this coffee. And this is really incredible, because you can basically you can replace your coffee on this coffee, and you are gonna see the result, right? So you can just recommend this kind of the product to all the people worldwide, because 90%, maybe 80 or 90% of the people, they drink in the coffee worldwide. And you can be that person who can make the rightable recommendation, and you can make the really great commissions with this. And I'm telling you right now, while all the people is at home, while all the people is gaining weight, this is gonna be an option for the many countries, for the many people from the different cities, just to make money online, guys. And also right here you can find different products, absolutely different products, because also right here you can see that the company have the toothbrush for the losing weight, which is absolutely incredible, because just imagine you're just brushing your teeth and you're losing weight. So it's absolutely excited. Also we have the soap, also we have the different kind of the products which can help ourselves to look younger, to feel more excited every single day, to feel fresh, you know, to feel exactly on the next level. So my advice for all of you people right now, just to check more about this product, just look inside, just also read all the ingredients, what kind of the product you can recommend, and just go ahead and do that, because time is running out every single day. And I just really want to tell to all of you, don't lose it, because it's really important right now to understand what kind of the opportunity you can join and where you can make the money. And the total life changes, it can be the company for you, an opportunity to start to make the money in the 2020, because this can be like solution, right, for the so many people is searching for the product. Basically they searching for the way how to find the result, and you can just give them, you can just give them solution to get that result. And this right here with this product, we have the instant tea, ISO tea, we have different kind of the resolution drops, we have the harmony hemp oil. So basically all of these products people is buying worldwide. They buying on the Amazon, they buying on the eBay, and the same they can buy it from you. And of course if they were gonna buy it from you, so you can make the commission. So right now is the time on the 100%, and my advice, don't lose this time, because while we have the pandemic, while we have the coronavirus, people is staying at home and they searching for their amazing opportunity. And this kind of the products can help you guys not just to feel healthy, it also can help you to make the great commission. So my advice, of course, check this video again. Maybe if you do not understand something, of course, just place the comments below. Of course, ask your questions. Also in the description gonna be our chat, copy, paste and send, where we upload different kind of the proofs, different kind of the opportunities, so you can just go ahead and do that. So like I'm telling you, like I told you guys, here's the time and here's the way for so many people just to join this website, just understand about the products. You can read all the instructions and you can choose that one what you want. And of course you can test it first of all on yourself how it will gonna work, but I'm telling you, it working really amazing and on the 100% incredible. And all the people who was using one time this kind of the product, they were gonna buy it again and again. And this is the also one of the really amazing way, because just you recommend the product one time to the person, one time, for instance, you just recommend the product of the tea one time to the person and he bought it for the $40 for the $60, right, which giving you 40 QE, and you earn $20. Just imagine, you earn $20 for the one recommendation. And this person, he getting this product every month, right? Because here's inside we have the 50 sachets, or like in person he getting this package this product every single month. So basically, if we're gonna calculate for the 12 months, so you can make $240 from the one person, yeah, from the one person. And if these people gonna be 10, so how much money you can make if it's gonna be 10 people? So you can make $2,400 just residual income, guys. If these people gonna be not 10, if these people gonna be 20, so we can just check it on 2, so it's gonna be 4,800, guys. So this is the idea, for all of you, my people, just to understand that what we have for today in the 2020, because right now world is changed and it will never gonna be like it was before. So you must understand that if you're gonna start to work in the new technology, if you're gonna start to work with the new website, with the new tools, so you can make the more money. Because that people who right now sitting at home and don't doing nothing, they losing the time. So my advice, of course, don't lose your time, just check that product with which one you can work most effectively and just start to promote. We have the Facebook, as I told you, we have Twitter, we have our friends, we have WhatsApp, we have Fiverr, so we can just share this information with any person worldwide. And of course, once he's gonna make the purchase, once he's gonna buy it, so you're gonna receive the 50% from any of these amazing products. So just go ahead, contact me if you do not understand something. In the description, all the information, they're gonna be the links for the how to make money on Zoom. They're gonna be different kind of the ways how to make money with the Skype, with the Fiverr. So just go ahead, I'm all the time online. My WhatsApp and also my recommendation for all of you gonna be in the description. So just go ahead and start to do that. Start to make money online in the 2020, own your life, and of course, stay blessed. It was Team Wider, and I will gonna see you, of course, in the next video.